Hello guys, I'm Amit and welcome back to my channel. In this session, I'm going to show you how we can automate Juniper device like we did for Cisco device. So we can read and write configuration onto the device. So guys, if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And just to start with, first of all, I'm going to tell you what is the difference between the Cisco and the Juniper script. So this was the script that we have implemented last time on a Cisco device, and this is the script for the Juniper device. So there is no any major difference. There is only a little bit of difference, like everything remains same, only in Cisco when we are reading the data in order to log in into the device, we are looking for this username phrase. But in Juniper we are looking for the login phrase, because in Juniper when we log in, we get this login prompt and not the username prompt, and rest remains same. We get the password prompt, and in Juniper as well we get the password prompt. So in this script, what I'm doing, I'm just configuring BGP between the Juniper and a Cisco device, and then we will see if the BGP comes up or not. So in Cisco, I'm just going to the configuration, configuring a loopback, going to router BGP, doing the distribution, and then I'm defining the neighbor, and the neighbor is this IP address, the interface IP address of the Juniper, and this is the remote AS. And in Juniper, this is my Juniper IP to which I will be logging into. And in Juniper, I'm setting the screen length to 10,000. I'm going to configure. I'm configuring the protocol, set protocol BGP group. This neighbor is 151, which is this IP, and I'm defining the peer AS is 65 65500, which is this AS, and a local AS is 65505, and then I'm committing the configuration, exiting out, and then I'm printing whatever I have done. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to run this script one by one. Instead, I will run this script at a one time. So what I have done, I will enter the username and password once, and then we will use the same username and password for both the device. So in this way, I don't need to input the username and password two times for two devices. So this is the topology which I'm using. This is my Ubuntu server, and this is my switch, and this is my Juniper device. So this is my switch. So currently I don't have any loopback here, and if I see the BGP, there is no BGP active, and this is my Juniper. So in Juniper, you see we got the login prompt instead of the username prompt. We log in with the username that I have defined. So this was the IP address to which I will log in and do the configuration. And if I see the BGP is not active. Currently the BGP is not active here. So I will just go to the Ubuntu server, and I will create a script with nano, and I will name it as Cisco Juniper BGP.py, and I will copy this script. First I will go for the Cisco one, I will paste it here, and then I will copy this Juniper, and I will paste it here. So what it's going to do, I'm importing this getpass and telnet library that we have done already in Cisco, and this is my Cisco host, this is my Juniper host, I'm going to input the username and password once, and the same username and password will be used for this host as well as this host. So I will write it, Control O, and exit it. We will see how it looks. So this is our script. This is for Cisco and this is for the Juniper. So I will run it, Python username password. So it has entered the Cisco device, configured the BGP and loopback. And then it went to this, set the CLI screen length to 10,000, go to configure the BGP, it commit and quit, and then it exit out. So let's see. So I can see the BGP came up. So if I see the interface, I see the interface loopback 1 is there, and if I see the BGP is there, and if I go to this Juniper, I see the BGP is up since 21 seconds, and I can see that I'm receiving this loopback that we have configured on the Cisco device 11111. So this was just a simple script that we have done for Juniper. So thank you guys for watching. If it was informative to you, please like it, share it, and hit the subscribe button for upcoming tutorials. If you guys have any queries, please comment on the comment box below and I will get back to you. Thank you guys. See you soon in next tutorial.